To use an Apple gift card to buy an iPhone online, start by going to the Apple website and selecting the iPhone model you want to purchase. Make sure to choose the correct storage size and color to ensure you get the right device. Next, click on the Buy Now button and sign in to your Apple account. If you do not have an Apple account, create one by filling out the required information. Once you are signed in, proceed to the checkout page where you will be asked to enter your shipping and billing information. On the payment page, select the gift card option as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the card's PIN, which can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if it is an electronic gift card. After entering the gift card details, click Apply to see the amount deducted from your total purchase price. If the gift card balance covers the full cost of the iPhone, you can complete the purchase without entering any additional payment information. However, if the gift card balance does not cover the full cost, you will be asked to enter a credit or debit card to pay the remaining balance. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used on the Apple website or in Apple stores, and they cannot be used to purchase items from other retailers, even if those items are Apple products. Additionally, make sure to keep your gift card details secure to avoid any unauthorized purchases. Before completing the purchase, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct, including the iPhone model, storage size, color, and any additional accessories you may have added. Once you are satisfied with your order, click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. After the purchase is complete, you will receive an email confirmation with the details of your order, including the estimated delivery date and any tracking information. You can also track the status of your order by signing in to your Apple account and going to the Order Status page. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to buy an iPhone online. Remember to always keep your gift card details secure and to review your order summary carefully before completing the purchase to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.